Hello and welcome to another Discord bot tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use RNG and embeds in your Discord bot. If you haven't already, check out the first episode, where I teach you how to make the bot and create basics. So we're going to start off, ignore this testing it, by making a new command. So if msg.includes, and then we'll have it be prefix plus coin for now. And here's the actual RNG. Let number equal math.random. And what that'll do is pull a random number between 1 and 0, but never 1 or 0. At least from my experience. And see, I've tested it before. Oops. Make sure you have message.channel.send number. Bot is up, /coin, and there you can see it's a random number. How do I make it an actual whole number? Well, it's simple. You put math.floor in front, right there, and then times 2. What this will do is pull a random number and have it between 0 and 2, and round it to the closest thing beneath it. So if it was like 0.5, it would immediately go to 0. If it was 1.5, it would immediately go to 1. But if it was 2, it would just go to 1. So, and /coin, 1 /coin, 0 /coin, 0. Now it's not an actual coin flip command yet. How we can fix that is if number is equal to, with 2 equal signs, 1 message.channel.send heads. And copy and paste that, and replace the 1 with the 2 and the heads with the tails. NODE dot in the terminal, and let's try it out. Coin instead of 2, make sure it's 0. That is my bad. Because it's only pulling 1 or 0. /coin. Tails. /coin. Heads. /coin. Tails. /coin. There's our simple coin flip command. Another RNG command we can make is just, let's say you want to give your bot a number, and it will pull a random number from 0 to that. It's fairly simple. Let's create a new command. If msg.includes prefix plus RNG. And here's where we go back into discussing args. If isnan, right there, args1, return message.channel.send, please include an actual number. Now, I forgot to put this in front of it, but if args1 and then an exclamation mark in front of args1, that'll be looking for if there is not an argument after RNG, then it'll do this. Return message.channel.send, please include a number. Now we can test that out. Okay, let's put this here. That is a number. Sure, why not? No dot. Let's test this out. /RNG. Please include a number. /RNG. No. Please include an actual number. /RNG. Random number. That is a number. Now if we go back to the coin command, we can use this right here. And put it right here. So instead of 2, what we'll do is have it be args1. And then message.channel.send number right there. Let's try that out. /RNG there. 55 /RNG, whatever, that. And there we go. At the beginning of this video, you heard me talk about embeds. What is an embed? Well, I'll show you. If msg.includes prefix plus embed. We're going to define an embed. Let's embed equal new discord.message embed. Right there. And make sure you have that there. And then here we'll set the title. Here you can see there's a lot of things you can do with it. Title. Set description. Okay, let's do /embed. Oops, I am so sorry. I forgot to put an X there, and message.channel.send embed. There you go. Embed. Remember, if you're having any issues at all, just head over to my Discord server or comment below. If you have a suggestion, you can do the same thing. Now, let's say you want to add more flair to it, because, that doesn't look that cool. Of course, you can make it cool, and I'll show you how. .set image. Now here, you need to grab a image URL, and I just so happen to have one here. You need to click on the image, click Open Original, and copy the URL it takes you to. After that, put it in here. There's a similar thing you can do. -set thumbnail. It's essentially just a different location and size of it. Oops. Node dots. And let's see it again. /embed. There you go. I'll show you how to do color now. -set color, and then it takes, I believe it's called hexa numbers, but you can grab it over here. So, let's grab that as our color. I want that as my color. Here, you can put it right there. That's how you can get it easily from Discord, but I'm sure there's websites that do it too. node./embed, and now the site is ready. Now the last thing I'll be showing you with embeds is a field. A normal field would look like this. If you didn't include false, it would just be automatically false. So I'll show you what it's like when it's false. /embed, and you see it'll be like that. It'll be like top to bottom. But if you change this to true, then I'll show you what it looks like now. /embed, you see it's now sideways. I'm not sure how you could use this, whether it be, social media, so YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. But the maximum is 3 if you're going to have it sideways, then it'll create a new row. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below or join my Discord server. Have a good day, and please subscribe.